Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niruguritie ikereka ria keri ria uheani wa njanjo cia kurigiriria maruru ma murimu wa kuharwo gatema wari kurumirira ikuũ iria ikoretwo igicungiririo ni murimu uyu. Namba ya andu aria makuite kurumirira murimu uyu irugamiire 196 kuria ningi andu matanyihiire 11,897 mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo manyititwo ni murimu uyu. Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, thina uyu ukoretwo ugicungiririo ni uhuthiri wa mai matari matheru, muhihinyano wa andu kambi-ini cia ethari ngui kwa muhiano kambi-ini ya Dadaab kaunti-ini ya Mandera, muingi kuria irio itari na utheru wa kuigana gatagati-ini ka mangi.
We should always consider that we could still be at risk for getting cholera, because a lot of the times when you go to eat somewhere, you cannot really vouch for how that food has been prepared.
Kaunti iria igomeirwo makiria ni murimu uyu ni hamwe na kaunti ya Garissa, Mandera, Nairobi, Wajir, kaunti ya Tana River, Kiambu, Kajiado, kaunti ya Homa Bay, Mombasa, Siaya gatagati-ini ga kaunti ingi.
77% ya wale watu ambao wameambukizwa ugonjwa huu huwa hawaonyeshi ishara zozote, lakini wanaendelea kuambukiza wengine.
The oral cholera vaccine is safe for use in both adults and children. It's given by mouth, so it's easy to administer and has been used in the past and has been used in several other.
Mihang'o ya uheani wa njanjo ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere kuma kiambiriria-ini kia mweri wa keri mwaka-ini uyu. Kaunti iria ciamukirite njanjo ari hamwe na kaunti ya Garissa, Wajir, Tana River undu umwe na kaunti ya Nairobi.
Lakini hiyo haimaanishi kwamba tumeshinda vita hivi. Inamaanisha kwamba bado ugonjwa huu unaweza tena kuenea na urudi kwenye sehemu zingine zote za nchi.
Uheani wa njanjo ici no utanyitwo guthie na mbere muthi wa rucio nginyagia tariki 12 mweri-ini uyu, na kaunti iria ikamukira njanjo ici ni hamwe na kaunti ya Wajir, Kajiado, Homa Bay, Nairobi, kaunti ya Marsabit, Mandera, Machakos undu umwe na kaunti ya Garissa.
You give the 2 doses, the duration of protection is 3 years. When you give 1 dose, which we'll do in the campaign, the duration of protection is much shorter.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njugunu.